Alright, this one's going to be the third video, just for another reference. Maybe you can hear it better. I'm going to try and just put the phone on the center console. Maybe you could hear a little better from there. Not really too sure because, you know, it's leather, so less vibration than plastic from the dash. So, let's start it up and give it a few runs right here. Maybe you could hear it. Alright, here we go. Actually, it is there. It sounds, oh, maybe that's just the diesel combustion on it. But it sounds like it could be there when I when I let off the pedal. I'm going to go back up the hill here. Maybe that'll give it a little better load. See that sound right there? Don't know if you can hear it. I'm going to try and keep it in this gear. See how it's... Yeah, so hopefully you can hear that. I held it for a good second there. Pull over again and stop this video. Hopefully you guys are able to hear it again. So yeah, thank you again.